okay. I'm in cosmetology school. Oh, thank you. Oh my god. I have the same hair color. Oh my god, really? I'm following you. I screenshotted and reported him. Thanks, guys. Thank you. Are you a cop? No. Oh my god. But yeah, I put my hair in a little 4-part. Let me just casually whip out the comb for you. I put my hair in a 4-part section. So basically what you're gonna do for a 4-part section is you take your hair like right here at the crown of your head, and you would take your comb down to the back of the ear. Ooh, God, I can't do this with, Jesus, that's a really bad part. So, okay, so that's not that good of a part. It's supposed to be straighter, but you get the point. So it's like that. Ooh, okay. It's like that. And then I parted the other side too. You just like anime, you so cute. Thanks. Thank you. Thanks for following me. I like your smiley face on shirt. Thanks. It's a little alien. Thank you. Hi, Miles. Jesus Christ. What side is the blue one? So for me, it's on my left. Ow. That hurt. I love your lip color. Thanks. Here, let me show you the lipstick real quick. Is this one? And it's called Strip and Tease. Can you even read that? Hello? Read it. Hi, Ariana. Are you Harley Quinn? Maybe? Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's this lipstick. You're welcome. I'm not saying that. Is it a stain? I wish it was a stain. Oh, because you guys are morning cause. Yeah, I have to stay home because I have to get tested for COVID. Yeah. Tell everybody I say hi. Can they see me? Hey, guys. Hey. Hi. What time is it? My Alexa isn't plugged in and I don't... Oh, I have a clock. It's not the right time. I color my hair. This is my natural hair. Yeah. Jeez, my scalp is so white. Same, I have the flu. Oh my god. Yeah, better soon. It's 1 a.m. here. What? Who should I edit? Me. There's a lot of people in here now. What? I will be right back. Oh, wait, can I even walk around with this? We still got the flower waiting. Hi, Mommy. I'll be right back. One here? What? Okay, that didn't get ruined. Wait, I have to read these comments now. Mommy, sorry. Mommy, sorry. Sorry, I'm reading all the comments now. Wait, so what's going on? Please, can somebody, like, keep me up to date of what just happened? If I cry, would you laugh? That depends. Are you racist? Why does it look different now? I can change. That's cool. I didn't know that. Why people keep calling you Mommy? I don't know. I don't know. Where is your father? In jail. Thank you. We had a debate about calling people mommy. I mean, I think it's fine as long as you don't go crazy about it. Did you say you say race? Why did you say racist? Because somebody said, would you laugh at me if I cried? And I said, that depends. Are you racist? So, then in that case, I would. Thank you. Oh my god, I love how I found somebody with my matching hair color. Like, thank you, matching buddy. We're gonna be besties for the resties. And why are you so tall? I'm 5'4". I'm not tall. Well, that's kind of tall, I guess. 5'5" is like the average height. Please don't ask me things about my private life. That's really like, you at least learn how to spell it. It's my real hair. My, here. These are my roots coming in. Do you even see that? This is my real hair. I just feel like I have to just explain it to everybody since nobody fucking believes me anymore, so whatever. You're 5'7" at 12? Wow. Wow. Scalp tour. Do you guys want it again? I mean, I can show you if you want. It's fine. I'm kind of used to the weirdos now, so. Knock over liquid. Yeah. Sure. I guess. That's what you want to say. This is the finest I've ever seen, dog. Excuse me? What's on your hand? What happened? It's peeling. It was, like, tribute to Harley, because I'm obsessed with her. That's kind of why I dyed my hair these colors. But you know. Bro, that's reverse Todoroki. Wow, thank you. You're 7 foot at 16. You're 6'3" at 12? That's not true. That has to be a lie. Happy birthday, Alyssa. Did I say that right, Alyssa? Not a fan of finger girls. Wait, people are being rude? You stay safe too. I have giants in my family. Wow. That's cool. Thank you. Wow, why are there so many tall people in here without... Wow. I am 5'4". I am also 17. What are y'all in? 5'7". Wow, these are really tall people. Except for that one person who said they were 5'3". 5'4". Hey, twins. 5 foot or 5'2". How do you... That's a 2-inch difference. That is a 2-inch difference. How do you... You're 4'8"? Yes, I'm 17. What? How old did you guys think I was? Be honest. How old did you guys think I was? Take guesses. Come on. Take guesses. There's a piece of hair. Are those heels? Yes. You guys thought I was 21, 20? 14. What? Older than 18? No. You look 19. People when I was 15, they were telling me that I looked like I was 19 and 20. Yeah. No, I'm not 19. I am 17. I will be 18 on March 18th this year. I'm so excited for my birthday. I'm gonna get my septum pierced and it's gonna be so much fun. Thank you. I have to fix my hand now because I'm sad that it's fading. How do you feel about the government? No. No, thank you. I don't like government. Happy birthday. Oh, thanks. It's months from now, though. You silly. Ooh, that was not me. That was not me. It was this, I swear to God. Anyway, let me just fill this in. 14. You are 14? Or are you saying you thought I was 14? Oh, thank you. Why isn't fixing? I've been dyeing my hair since I was 16. My parents said I have been dyeing my hair since I was in the 7th grade. How old was I in the 7th grade? 13. Your voice is so cute. Thanks. Can you guess my age? 16, 17, 16. No, 16 or 15. Can y'all rate my profile? 7.5 out of 10. It's cute. You're 15? I got it right. My hair's parting, and for what? What was the reason? What? When I lift my eyebrows, my hair gets longer? How does that even make sense? Hand back. Oh, you're fine. Can you sing? No. I'm sorry, no. I'm not doing that. I don't know what that is. Sorry. Oh my God, right? Here, for the new people that didn't get to see, this is my cat. His name is Neko. Do you have a boyfriend? Yes, I do have a boyfriend. Can I cry on command? Sometimes. Not all the time, though. How long is your hair? Because I think it's longer than mine. This is how long my hair is. I need to get a haircut. Like, desperately. Oh my God, you have a cat? I love that. Neko is a boy, and his birthday is May 26th or 3rd. I can't remember. Or 24th. It's one of those days. We'll just say all of them are his birthday because he deserves every single day for his birthday. What's your sign? Guess. Guess what my Zodiac sign is. Oh my God. You better dye your hair is the same color as me. I'm following you, girl. Yours. What do you think I am? What's my Zodiac sign? Guess. Whoever guesses it right gets a hug. I don't know. What do you want? Everyone is your Sagittarius. Try again. I don't even know what that sign is. Gemini, no. Aries, no. Come on, guys. I said when my birthday was. I'm a Pisces. Aw, Taurus. My boyfriend's a Taurus. Somebody said, like, Pisces the first try, and I was like, ooh. It was Steville. He got it right first try. Yeah. Good job, dude. Oh, my knees just cracked. Dream is Poggers said that they were a Pisces too. Twinning. We're twinning. I like how there was more people in this live when I was gone. You know, for the longest time I thought the Cancer sign was the Pisces sign. And I would always, when people would ask me what I was, and I would be like, oh, and they'd be like, oh, cool. Yeah, I did say I was 18 in March. I'm 18 on the 18th of March. Isn't that cool? I'm so excited. I got water vibes, you're edgy. From your edgy stuff on your nose? What? The blush? What's your rising? I don't know. All I know is that I'm a Pisces. I don't really understand astrology, but I like it. Cancer is, yeah, it is. It is. My sign is Aries. That's cool. I think Arieses are cool. Aries is... I love your room. Thanks. Can I do your birth chart? Wouldn't you need to, like, know where I was born and the exact time I was born for that? I'm gonna have to say no. I don't really want to give out that information. Yes, it is Friday Night Funkin'. Yeah. Oh my god, this candle smells so good. Here, smell it. How many colors have you had? Okay. With my hair, I have had purple, black, red, blue, green, magenta. Is there any more? Pink. That's it. I think that's it. Don't want to have matching profile pictures. I did have one matching one with my boyfriend, but he changed his profile pictures. It's fine. It's fine, I guess. I know, right? Purple fades so fast. I just don't want to give out that information. Sorry. Nothing against any of you. I don't feel comfortable doing that. That's all. I need to take this plastic off because I forgot to do that. Oh, she's in the nude. Nudity. Candles feel so weird, but nice. Oh no, I'm sorry. I kind of want to end this live now and play Cookie Run Kingdom. I think I might do that. My bed just call. Sure, I'll watch some of your videos. Oh my god, are you okay? Okay, I'm gonna end this live because I really want to play Cookie Run Kingdom, but honestly, I don't know when I'm gonna go live again. I do it whenever I feel like it. I'm gonna be real honest. I don't have thank you. Oh my god, thanks. I do not have a schedule for when I go live. I kind of used to. I used to go live like every other day, but yeah. So just keep on the lookout if you want to join in my next one. I guess you really don't have to, but you know, if you guys are interested in it, like I guess it's. I love anime. Yes.